Let me say good morning to Cristal Gary. She is with Meridian Health Plan of Illinois. Morning, Ms. Gary. How are you?
Good morning. I am great. How are you?
Tell me give me a little background, Meridian, how long it's been around and what's the involvement here? Is it cover the entire state of Illinois and how many other states are you folks involved?
Yeah, well, Meridian is a family of health plans. We provide managed care services to seniors, children, families, and people with disabilities and complex health needs across the state of Illinois. We focus specifically on Illinois. We are also a part of Centene Corporation, which does provide managed care services nationwide.
How long has Meridian been around? How long have they been doing business, especially here in Illinois?
Oh, wow. Meridian has been around, I believe it's been since 2010.
Now, exactly define for us who would be eligible to become part and work with Meridian as far as consumers. Is there an income level? Are there a number of children, a number of dependents? Tell me exactly who would be interested or eligible to become part of your involvement.
Meridian focuses on government-sponsored healthcare programs, and so we are serving people who are eligible for the Illinois Medicaid program or who are eligible for Medicare. So for Medicaid, that is typically people who are lower income, and that income depends on family size, or people who might become eligible because of a functional disability. And for Medicare, Medicare is typically for seniors who are over age 65.
What type of coverage are we talking about? Are we talking comprehensive? Is there a deductible? Are dependents covered? Is there a limit? Help me out.
It is comprehensive health care. So Meridian, through the Medicaid program and Medicare in particular, is full comprehensive health care coverage. We cover all of the essential health benefits, and we also provide mental health services, and we have other clinical programs that are designed to meet the health needs of our members. And there are within Medicaid, there are no deductibles, and there are limits vary, depending on what the health service might be.
Cristal Gary, Plan President and CEO of Meridian Health Plan of Illinois. How challenging is it for the consumer right now? I know we've heard a lot of things, a lot of it's political related and based and so on and so forth. How challenging is it for the consumer right now to figure out what direction they should go when it comes to government-sponsored health plans?
I think that the state of Illinois does a really good job of helping to guide people who are eligible either for Medicaid or for the Medicare dual program to figure that out. So people can go to the state of Illinois to apply and to figure out their eligibility. Once they are enrolled in the program, they will receive information that helps them to pick a health plan. Meridian, we are one of 6 managed care companies that serve Medicaid enrolled individuals across the state. So people do have a choice, and they provide that information to help guide them. Once the benefit of managed care, so once you're in a managed care plan like Meridian, the beauty of that is, then we provide health navigation services. We provide care management services. So, we're really here to be a resource for our members to help make sure that they get connected to care, that they get the right care in the right place that they need to achieve their optimal health. And we know that the healthcare system can be very complex and very confusing. So, having that additional support and having, a care manager that really can walk with you throughout your healthcare journey is, that's our mission. And I think that's a really important thing, particularly for people who are eligible for Medicaid, tend to be lower income and tend to, face a lot more barriers and a lot more health-related social needs, which is really one of the things that I was going to talk about today through our Health Happens Here grant.
We're going to talk about that because you talk about the state of Illinois does a good job. Meridian Health Plan of Illinois announced $857,500 in Health Happens Here grants to 14 organizations for the first half of 2024. Please elaborate. That is very, very impressive.
Well, thank you. Our grant programs are part of what we think of as our hyperlocal approach to ensuring that our members get access not only to the highest quality healthcare services, but also to other resources that they need to be able to achieve their optimal health and well-being. So we believe in a whole person approach, and we know that the best way that we can do that is through investing in our members and in the communities where they live, work, and play. And that includes partnering with community-based organizations that are also committed to and serving those communities. So we are really proud to be providing financial support to these 14 organizations. They are doing amazing work across the state in supporting a number of programs and a number of the populations that we serve.
One of them here in Springfield, but we're very familiar with. We've done a show from there on more than one occasion, having Studio Compass for Kids, received a $100,000 award. The other one, the Outlet, has offices in 7 schools here in District 186 in Springfield. They also received a $100,000 award. How is it determined? Who makes the decision, and how do people apply for this grant? Are these grants?
Yes, people are able to apply for the grant, and we also have people who nominate. So Meridian has community engagement team members across the state that are, working with and partnering with organizations. They're able to nominate organizations for these grants, and organizations are also able to apply. So we're, really excited about both the Outlet and Compass for Kids. Children are one of the key populations that we serve. And, we know that they often need a lot of, academic support, social, emotional support. The Outlet provides great school mentoring and after-school programs. We also have programs for, seniors. So we are supporting the GANT, the Greater All Nations Tabernacle Senior Luncheon Program that operates out of the Springfield Salvation Army, and the Southern Illinois University College of Medicine to support programs within their Office of Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion.
How long has Meridian been doing this Health Happens Here grant? How many years have you been doing this? And is there another distribution of grants coming on later this year?
Yes. We launched this program, the grant program, in 2022. So we've been doing it for about 2 years now, and we have given over $1.4 million since that point in time. As you mentioned, these grants are for the first half of 2024, and we will be issuing other grants throughout the rest of this year. So we are definitely continuing that commitment and continuing to take applications from organizations that we partner with and that share our mission.
Cristal Gary, final question. How long have you been involved with the healthcare business?
I've been involved in the healthcare business for over 20 years through a number of roles. I joined Meridian Health Plan just over a year ago and have just loved this role and everything that Meridian does. Our mission to transform the health of our communities one member at a time is near and dear to my heart as someone who has worked in healthcare and particularly worked within the Medicaid program and the Medicaid population for most of my career.
If people want to contact a Meridian representative, is there a website available to them?
Absolutely. People should visit ilmeridian.com. So IL is in Illinois, Meridian, MERIDIAN.com.
Cristal Gary, thanks for your time and thanks for involvement here, not only in Springfield, communities throughout the state. Have a good day.
Yeah, thank you so much. Bye.
Take care. Bye-bye.